Hello, Center School. It is Friday, December 11th, 2020, and we are back for another Mr. E's Minute. And I begin with an apology. I believe I have worn this shirt already once in one of my previous videos, so I need to really up my wardrobe game. But it's a nice shirt, so I might, it's a Good Friday shirt. So that is, get that out of the way. First things first, we have some quick announcements. Monday begins Center School's School Spirit Week. Very, very cool stuff. We are starting with, if I look at my notes here, Monday begins with Superhero and Villain Day. So hope to see everybody dressed up and participating in that. Tuesday is Sports Day. Wednesday is Disney Day. Thursday, Halloween Part 2. That's pretty cool. And Friday is School Spirit Day. That's school colors. That's green and white. Or if you got other Center School apparel, bring it in. So that is School Spirit Week starting on Monday the 14th. Some other announcements. There was a bit of a glitch in the PTO meeting. If any parents are watching this video, I believe Miss Lees will be trying to get a meeting rescheduled for some time soon. So be on the lookout for that. We also have an extension, a very important extension on a deadline about the Krispy Kreme fundraiser. So if you have not done that already, check your email. There's been the form has been sent out. I actually have mine right here. I have to get this into Mr. Miller on Monday, but get your Krispy Kremes in. It's good for a good cause for the school. Let's see what else. Oh, I wanted to also shout out some students. Shlomo, Joe, and Ashley in the high school. Just wanted to say thank you. On Tuesday, myself, Miss Spots, and the students, we were able to go out to the Somerset YMCA, and they participated in volunteering at their weekly food pantry. So they were able to give out food to those who need it right now, and it was a really, really wonderful time. They spent a couple hours outside, by the way, outside in the chilly, lifting boxes, bringing stuff to people's cars. It was a really, really nice event. Hopefully we can get more of that in the future. But congratulations to Shlomo, Joe, and Ashley. Thank you very much for volunteering your time. So that was a really, really cool thing. And let's get to our joke of the day. And also, please, it is Happy Hanukkah, everybody who is celebrating Hanukkah. We have last evening, we begun the Festival of Lights. So that's really, really cool stuff. Joke of the day. There were two windmills standing in a field, and one windmill asked the other one, and he said, "Hey, what's your favorite kind of music?" And the other windmill said, "I'm a big heavy metal fan." I really, really, really like that joke. On the topic of jokes, Miss Lees, I keep mentioning Miss Lees in these minutes, in these mystery minutes here. I want to have students give me ideas for jokes. So I'm going to put right outside my office here, I'm going to put a little bin. It'll probably look like a trash bin. But if you have bad jokes for me to tell on the Mr. E's Minute, I would love to have them. So that's, I think, a pretty cool little idea there. Thank you, Miss Lees. So starting Monday, if you got bad jokes, send them my way. Shoot me an email, whatever you want to do. I believe that is the Mr. E's Minute for December 11th, 2020. Have a great night.